I'm fixing everything, and today we'll see where the sink is leaking from. I think definitely it's leaking from the bottom.
Daddy,
Oi.
it's hot.
Oh, very nice. And I think here, when we try to tighten it a little bit more, it actually strips the thread. So prepare yourself with something on the bottom. Yeah. And I tried yesterday to use some Teflon tape, but because it's plastic, it's not holding up. So what I'm gonna do now is have a spare one of these wash basin, waste and trap. So we'll see if it works or not, and we're gonna replace it. Now, should we start from the top, maybe on the side? Okay, then this one here, and this one onto here. Or maybe on this side we can undo it. This one and this one. Okay, so now we're gonna compare my new one. Unfortunately, my new one is not exactly the same, so what I'm gonna do, I'll take this, and because it cannot stop leaking and I cannot find a new one, I'll remove that whole thing, yeah, and I'll glue it with the RTV silicone, and it will never be able to be drained and replaced, but it will take a while. This one I haven't opened for the last 3 years, so maybe it will last another 3. Well, sad that I already bought the new one, but the new one will be left for something else. I went to try to seal this one, but when I cleaned it, it actually started threading okay, and it can go pretty tight on both sides, you can see. So turn opposite way, yeah, and I'll clean up all of the pipes here with all the seals. I can see this one is not brittle, it's okay. I'll take some wet wipes because I don't have a lot of space on the bottom to clean it with regular water. Just make sure it's clean. Onto here, clean. Seal also needs to be clean, yeah, and we can see onto this side as well. There we go. Clean it up. You don't want to clean inside the pipe because it will make a big mess. There we go, just like that. Just like that. Here we go. Okay, now this part is tight on the bottom. I'll take the two seals like this. Onto here, onto here. Opposite way. They should be exactly the same, but I'm not. Maybe this one is here. And this one is here. I'll take some liquid soap and on the inside, so only on the inside and on the inside here. And now No, it's not okay. If it does not wedge into the pipe as it should wedge, it will leak, and if it leaks, it's bad. So it should not, should be perfect. If it's not perfect, do it again. Because one seal that is crooked, it can cost you your kitchen, and if you have neighbors underneath you, it can cost you an argument with the neighbors, which is never nice. Now you're exactly in my way, so what I'm going to do is take you out of here, yeah, and I'll just make everything, make sure that all of the connections are tight everywhere. Now I want to show you a little fail. I put the hot water in. Okay. So now off camera, I'll do whatever I did on camera and redo it again, because this seal is not okay, but always test with the hot water. Okay, so I revisited whatever I done, and I've been running the water now for the last 10 minutes. No leaks. I'll just run it for a bit more, just to make sure, and it's hot as possible. You can see it steaming. Okay, it's all sorted now. Been running for the last 20 minutes. No leaks. No leaks. Nice and solid. Put a little zip tie here so this one doesn't come out. But yeah. Well, the problem was mainly that the thing needed a little bit of cleaning and resealing. But generally all good for the next 3 years. Hope this video is helpful. So I'll see you to the next one. Bye bye.